Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to register a new business on Sunbiz, which is Florida's official business registration portal. If you're planning to start a company in Florida, this is the site you'll need to use. Let's get started. First, go to the Sunbiz website and look for the section that says Start a Business. Here you'll see several entity types, such as LLCs, corporations, and partnerships. Pick the one that fits your business structure best. Most small businesses choose an LLC for flexibility and liability protection. Once you've selected your business type, you'll be asked to provide important details. This includes your business name, which must be unique, so it's smart to do a quick name search on the site before moving forward. Then you'll need to add your principal office address, your registered agent information, and the names of any managers or owners, depending on the entity type you've chosen. After filling out your information, Sunbiz will take you to the payment page. The filing fee for an LLC is $125, while corporations and other entities may have different fees. You can pay securely online with a credit or debit card. When your payment is submitted, you'll get a confirmation that your filing has been received. Sunbiz will process your application, and once approved, your business will officially be registered in Florida. You'll then be able to download your articles of organization or incorporation directly from the site. And that's it! Registering a business on Sunbiz is straightforward if you follow each step carefully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.